How to remove someone from Discord group DM. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove someone from your Discord group DM. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, open up your Discord. Now you can open up your Discord in your web browser or you can open up your Discord in your application itself. So after you open up your Discord, make sure that you are logged in into your account. So let me just open up my Discord. And after you're on your Discord, what you can then do is make sure that the group that you created is created by you and you are its admin. And if you're not the admin, you cannot actually remove anyone from the group. So after you're here, what you need to do is to remove someone from the group, right click on the group member. After you right click the person on the group member, you'll simply have to remove that person from the group by tapping on this remove from group button. Now, if you don't have this sidebar, what you'll need to do is tap on this button right here that shows you the member list. After you do that, simply find the person that you want to remove, right click, and then remove from group. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for this video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.